This video will take you through the process of assembling the Asus ROG Hyperion. Let's dive in. The processor is used by Intel i9 13900K. The motherboard is Asus ROG Z790. The memory RAM is G.SKILL TRIDENT C532GB. The SSD storage is used by KINGSTON KC3001DB. The casing is powered by Asus ROG Hyperion. The liquid cooler is used by Asus ROG Ryujin to Noctua. The power supply is Asus THOR 1000 watt Platinum. The graphics card is used by Asus ROG STRIX RTX 4090. Let's see the product showcase. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. See you in the next video. Bye.